viewers, this is Hema from Shivani's Boutique, spreading colors globally. What's new today in Shivani's Boutique? These months are going to be crazy over kalamkari sarees, where we have got beautiful kalamkari sarees, and what I am wearing, it's a pure handloom silk kalamkari and with a contrast matching blouse. The blouse will be coming separate in the photograph, you can see that. And see, this is a beautiful concept. Something comes in tassels. Now it has come in beautiful handloom kalamkari, silk kalamkari, and with borders. Something really nice, fine, and unique. Let's start the show. See, this is the next sari. So, all are kalamkari. So see, this is the sari. This is the pallu part, and the blouse is a contrast matching blouse. All the blouse comes with the contrast matching colors. See, I'll open the sari like this and show. See how beautiful the sari flow is, feel, and the texture is so amazing. It's really lightweight also, and it listens to you also. And one specific thing where I have to inform you is the back portion looks this way. So this is the front portion, it's a kalamkari printed, and this is the back portion, and these are all kalamkari printed sarees. Alright, so beautiful, and the concept is so nice and amazing. See, the next color is this. Lovely, it is lovely, beautiful looking. I wanted to open the pallu and show you. Pallu portion correct in the madhya okay, and this is the pallu part. See the pallu and the blouse, followed by the blouse. So nice and amazing the sari is. See how beautiful the sari look. It's so majestic and brilliantly done. Silk kalamkaris, these are all. And yeah, see this. The next thing is this. See. Oh, amazing sari. So nice. This is the pallu part, and followed by pallu is the blouse. Beautiful, it looks so nice, and I think all the blouse sets amazingly beautiful for these kalamkaris. And okay, the next one is this. See, so nice, silk kalamkari with a beautiful concept. All are. So, see, I wanted to open the sari so that you guys can understand how the sari really looks. This is how it looks, so beautiful. Oh, amazing. So this is the part. Alright, I have got only limited collections in these silk kalamkari. See this. What a brilliant combination. You can find a silk border but a kalamkari, and this is the pallu part, and followed by is the blouse. So nice it is. So sit back, relax, and enjoy our show. This show is so super duper, and all we have got beautiful and excellent collections in kalamkari silk concept. See this, something really beautiful, something really new. Whoever is looking for such kalamkaris, guys, you can go for this. You can flaunt it in the upcoming your wedding functions or any functions, party wears. It's so nice. How beautiful it looks. Amazingly beautiful. And the color combination are mind-blowing. Whatever colors I show, see. The second color of the same concept is this. The pallu part and the blouse. The sari width and the length is so good. And I'm loving the sari personally. So beautiful it is. And the next sari is this. Lovely it is. See the color, brilliant color. I'm especially loving this zari part. So, see, and this is the pallu for this, and followed by it's the blouse. So, such a beautiful sari, brilliant, hot looking saris. And see this. Oh God, so beautiful. It's a bottle green, deep color bottle green sari, kalamkari printed with a border, blue color border. This is the pallu part, and the blouse is blue. For placing orders, you can can straight away log on to our website www.shivanisboutique.com. Else click the above link or else 95855011762 is our WhatsApp number. You can place orders over there. So nice and lovely looking. Alright. All are lovely, different color combinations. See this. That color is different. Deep green. It is a mehendi green color with blue combination. Looking so fine, beautiful and amazing. You can just flaunt your sari. It's so brilliant. Everybody will be asking, oh, where did you get the sari? The concept is really fantabulous. And see this. See this. So nice. See the sari. And the border is a silk border. So this is the sari as such. And this is the pallu part and followed by is the blouse part. So nice it is. Yeah. And then see this color. Oh my god, it's a deep coffee color with a contrast matching green color pallu and blouse. Zari portion is like mind blowing it is. So nice. Ma'am, I'm short. I can't wear this much big borders. But you can absolutely go for this if you're really liking it. And one more thing, the border is only one side border. This border is really small. So that you guys can go for it. See this. Oh God. Lovely mind-blowing colors. And this is the pallu and followed by blouse. Black. Black beauty. And this is a deep coffee brown. It's a deep coffee color. Very nice and super awesome. And final sari. Next sari is this. All the color combination are amazing, brilliantly done. And see this with a pink color. And this is the pallu part followed by blouse. Tell me which color suits me a lot. Maybe the sari which I am wearing. I love the sari. And this is Kalamkari Tezzer by Jute. It's the contrast matching Ganga Jamna border and this is the pallu part followed by blouse is the orange color. Hope you guys enjoyed seeing our collection. Beautiful Kalamkari sari. It's on handloom silk sari, pure silk sari and with a zari and everything. Something really different, something really new. Hope you guys enjoyed seeing our collections. www.shivanisboutique.com is our link. Orders 95855011762 is our WhatsApp number. You can place orders by our WhatsApp also. Thank you so much. Bye bye. We'll meet you soon with lots collections, new ones.